I'll contact DoorDash.
What happens when customers report that they never received their food? Well, in this video, we're gonna explore. We got a DoorDash customer that lied and said she never received her order. And unfortunately, one of the drivers got fired for it. Make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you can see what happened.
Hi again. I delivered food here yesterday from Chipotle, and you put down that I didn't deliver it to you.
It's really unfortunate that we have people in society these days that stoop so low as to, lie and say they never received a $10 burrito.
Because I just got fired from my job. Yeah, it was you. This is my only source of income. I do this all day.
And there's people that depend on, DoorDash and Uber Eats and the gig economy jobs to really pay their bills, So it's kind of messed up that, people will stoop this low. Some of these people have real good jobs too. So it just baffles me that we have people in society that would just, take advantage.
Now I'm fired from my job because you want your $10 burrito?
No.
Are you out of your mind? Who does this? Who does that? You got me fired. Like, I need the corporate number or something. Because I need to get your ass fired.
Okay, that's fine.
Does anyone have a corporate number? You have one?
I'll contact DoorDash.
Yeah. All right, you want to say that you got your food?
I'll contact them, but...
But what? Did you get your food or what?
How are you?
I even called my lawyer. He told me I can call the cops because it's theft. It's theft. Are you going to say you got your food or not? Or should I call the cops? Because you're stealing.
I'm not stealing.
Yeah, you are stealing.
I'm gonna need you to...
Yeah, who does that? Who fucking raised your ass? Who raised you? Seriously. Fucking piece of trash. That's what you are. Trash. Are you the manager?
Can I help you?
Yeah, I delivered food here yesterday from Chipotle on DoorDash. I DoorDash all day. That's my main source of income. That's all I do. And this girl, I delivered it to her, and then she went on DoorDash and put down that I didn't deliver it here. So then this morning I wake up to go DoorDash and I'm fired because of her, because she said I didn't deliver it. I would never do that. I handed it right to her. That's the girl. Is there a corporate number I can call or something? Because you guys have thieves working here.
Give you a phone number here.
You have thieves working here.
Erica?
The manager, he ain't no better. He could care less, He's like, that ain't got shit to do with me. And to be fair, he got a company he got to run and a place he got to worry about. So he can't be worried about ordering food through other apps. So it's not really his problem, but I mean, you could just tell from the way he said it, he could care less. And the girl was unapologetic. She obviously didn't deny not reporting that she never received her food, but she, literally has the audacity to be like, oh, I'll call them.
Stop playing with me, what?
But she won't admit on camera right there that she, lied. And it's basically stealing. Reported that she never received the food and it got this driver terminated. So it's really unfortunate that we still have to deal with things like this in society these days. But, hopefully that this driver can get his account back. I'm pretty sure he either got a contract violation. You don't just lose your whole account for one mess up. As you can see right here, a contract violation, you can get 3 of those. So it must have been his 3rd one, but still, with that being said, he shouldn't have got fired for that. So I think DoorDash actually reached out to him and he was able to get it all resolved, but there's no telling how many days he went without income. He said in the video, this is his main source of income. And to prevent yourself from being stuck in this situation, whenever I get a hand-to-me order on DoorDash, I always click can't hand the customer, even before I get there, So when you a minute or two away, it allows you to click that. I click that, and that makes sure that ensures that the customer, if they really wanted to get this order, they come out from wherever they at and they be ready right there for them to receive the order. Otherwise, you could be stuck in a situation where you're waiting for 5 minutes for them to come out and receive the order before you can take a picture, and that's 5 minutes that you're not getting your next order or heading back to your hotspot. Or you may be in a situation where you hand them the order and they still report it that they never received it. So you always want to be careful when you see those hand-to-me orders. And this young lady obviously did, very, very terrible as far as being a DoorDash customer, because she cost somebody their income.
I'll contact DoorDash.